Okay, now we're going to prepare a chicken for roasting. First thing you want to do is wash the chicken under cold running water, which I've already done. Now we're going to hit it with a little bit of olive oil, like so. A little bit of salt, not too much. A little bit of lemon pepper, and rub it in. Make sure you get it under the legs, the back, the wings, everything. Okay. Now once this is done, what we're going to do, we're going to place the herb butter in between the skin and the flesh. So to do that, you want to open up the chicken, make a small gap here. You're going to run your finger up around the breast, releasing the skin from the flesh. And then we can bring it down and around the leg as well. And that will leave a pocket for the herb butter. So do that to both sides. Along the leg and the thigh, just like so. You don't want to tear this. It's easy to tear the skin up. Try not to do that. Okay? So now that we have that hollowed out, for dressing the chicken, I'm going to take the wings, bring them back behind the back, like so, hold it like that, and put them back. Okay? And now we're ready to add the herb butter.